Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. Creative financing and lease purchases are not quite so simple as find, buy, fix, sell. Remember the flipping model? In fact, maybe you're not even sure what some of these terms mean exactly. Well, no worries. That's why we wrote this book. So the smart folks like you who read this book or listen to it on our audiobook will have a massive advantage over 99% of the other investors out there, because we're revealing to you that creative financing is where the money is. Pretty houses abound. In most areas, over 90% of the houses for sale are pretty, and those are our target for creative financing deals. This opens up vistas for you traditional investors. Now you can call on any house for sale, not just junkers. Other investors are busily chasing those ugly houses anyway, which drives the prices too high. The real beauty of creative financing is the avoidance of the dangers and traps of real estate investing. There is no risk when you're not risking anything. In these deals, you never use your own credit, so it's never at risk. You use no cash or only small amounts, only when absolutely necessary, and it's returned shortly plus much more when your lease purchase tenant buyer gives you their non-refundable option deposit. You know guys, this is a great time for you if you're just getting into this, because technology has absolutely changed the face of this business. Everything is exponentially easier now. Cell phones have their challenges, but they make it so much easier to reach sellers and buyers. Texting is a major component of that ease of access, and you'll use it constantly. The internet has also revolutionized real estate investing. At your fingertips is so much information about individual properties, farm areas, companies, lenders, other investors, or customers. Zillow.com is replete with vital information. Now that's a powerful resource for finding and evaluating properties, as well as being a far-reaching marketing tool. You'll need to get familiar with and use Zillow regularly to locate, research, and pre-screen prospects, as well as post your own properties for sale. With the investing world growing, TV exposure broadening, and real estate websites constantly evolving, how is it possible you've never really heard that much about creative financing? That's what you're thinking, right? With the popularity of flipping, why isn't the better way, the flip side way, more on your radar? Why haven't these creative financing strategies become as popular as flipping has? Well, it's complicated. I don't mean the answer is complicated. I'm saying creative financing can be complicated. That's why you don't see a bunch of shows about creative financing. They stick to flipping because it's easy to explain. Find, buy, fix, sell, remember? Plus you get that one emotional before and after reveal shot every episode. Creative financing might be a little complicated, but we're here to make it easy for you. We've gone way beyond understanding these strategies and techniques. We've lived them and taught them for 15 years. We've profited greatly from them, and we've structured them into simple systems. And we've done all we can to pass them on to our student investors. These creative financing strategies are so extremely lucrative. And when you follow our systems, it won't take you long before you're structuring deals like our student investors.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.